MAC is a young people's organisation, so we've got lots of different programmes that run here, but my role is to be the head of education, and I teach and train staff. So we run creative courses, 16 to 25-year-olds, in creative subjects like photography, game development, filmmaking, media, and we try to give young people an opportunity to just fall in love with education and learning. Sometimes young people have spent so much time trying to survive education or trying to survive being a young person that they haven't had a chance to stop and think about who they are and what they want to do and where they want to go with their lives. And they've left school without the confidence to go into the world of work, and so we try to help each person work out who they are and what direction they want to take.
What Sarah is able to do is create welcoming spaces where young people want to come and want to learn, and I've not seen that in 20 years of delivering educational activities that anybody's been able to understand that better than Sarah. We haven't got millions to invest in environments. Sarah is able to do it on very limited budgets and for very many young people.
A lot of young people come and say, I'm rubbish at everything but I'm good at gaming, so we can teach them how to make a game from start to finish. We've got a BAFTA award-winning game developer who teaches the course, so an industry expert who's got lived experience. And I think that's true of all of us. All the tutors at MAC have got lived experience of some of the challenges that our young people have faced, and so we can relate. And once you get to know people and you understand their strengths and where they need propping up, you can start working on that. That's easy.
Media Academy and Sarah gave me the opportunity to get into further education. That's what I really like about Sarah. She gives people opportunities and chances, despite even if they've got a past or a bad reputation.
We try to make what we offer young people as bespoke as possible, because they might say, I'm not cut out for education, and we say, no, education that you've experienced wasn't cut out for you, and we need to know what you want, and we will make education work for you. And we definitely do that. We do that really well. I don't believe that we're all designed to follow a linear path in our lives. I think that it's never too late to start again.